Hi there, this week's question is, does deleting posts on Reddit remove them? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and today we're going to be talking about Reddit, but next week we are going to be talking about my infamous project using a security camera attached to Alexa that allows for visual and auditory warnings to anybody that trips motion detection inside of my own home. We'll talk about the process of this and how I avoided spending any money on software, but let's get back to the point. Does deleting posts on Reddit remove them? The very simple answer to this question is absolutely not. You are not getting a post off of Reddit. There's nothing you can really do about that, and you'll understand why. The first thing is that Reddit technically keeps everything. If you want the most, substantial example of anything you post online will stay online forever, Reddit is how. Reddit basically archives everything, and their archive posts are what you absolutely want to avoid for any of the tricks that I'm going to give you today. The first thing you have to remember that is be careful with your titles. Don't include any personal information or information that can identify you. This is because you will never be able to delete those titles ever again. So be careful. Once that post gets onto the Reddit website, it's there. The second thing is the actual post itself can be edited, and this is the only vector in which that you can try to dissociate as much as possible from your account. So you can edit that post and put complete gibberish and then save it and then delete it, but I also want you to remember one thing. You can't really do anything about the comments themselves. So any of the comments that are attached to it that contain parts of the original message, including what some bots actually do on Reddit, will make sure that the actual original post is still part of the message. So please only post what you really want to post online, because that is exactly what's going to happen with Reddit. The only part that you can edit can still be archived as part of the comments. So be very careful what you post online. You cannot basically remove anything that you post on Reddit. What actually ends up happening is they end up being archived and dissociated from your account. They can't be directly accessible, but anybody who wants to can go and access them anyway. So if they know about the post, they can go and look it up, and hopefully there is nothing identifying you in the process, and that's all you can do. You cannot actually delete a post. You can modify it, but hopefully nobody has replied a part of your comment on their comments, or at least a part of your post as part of their comments. So I hope that answers the question itself. No, you can't delete anything. You're kind of screwed. It's permanently online. That's just the way life is. Good luck. So, like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaxxis1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.